guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today, as you guys might be able to tell by the title down below, I am sharing with you guys a super random collective haul. I have my new book that I'm reading, a candle, makeup, just random stuff along with some clothes. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below in case you guys are new. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It seriously means the world to me, so thank you, thank you, thank you. We recently just surpassed 18,000 subscribers, which is so crazy to me, and I couldn't be more excited. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway once I hit 20K, so keep liking and sharing my videos with your friends and family. It helps me grow, but it also will be so fun once we get to that next milestone. So I just can't thank you guys enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. And also, my new upload schedule is every Wednesday and a Friday. Now, I do throw in some random videos here and there because I love uploading and creating new content for you guys, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those random uploads. And also, if you guys haven't checked me out over on Instagram, be sure to check it out. It's just like Kellyprepster, but I'm doing my 45 days of pink challenge, wearing tons of pink. You guys might have noticed from all my thumbnails, I have so much pink. This top is from Shein. I love the puffed up sleeves. I have my big necklace on from Cora's Den. I have a little monogram K ring from the Sparkling. Absolutely love it. I just painted my nails red, and then I just have on my everyday pearls. Little mini OOTD going on. But anyways, we're gonna get started. A few days ago on Sunday, John took me on a little day trip. We went to the bookstore. We stopped into Half Price Books, and I picked up this book, and it is called Moonlight Over Manhattan by Sarah Morgan. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've been kind of in a slump. Like, I talked about this on our podcast, which if you guys want to go check out the podcast, it's back. It's linked down below. It's just at Call You Later Podcast. It's on all podcast streaming platforms. But I mentioned how reading kind of freaks me out. I also talked about this in my goals video. I get really like nervous, like I should be doing something else. So I was like, I'm gonna really make reading a big deal this year. I have been enjoying this so much, and I think I just needed that book that kind of pulled me in, and this is it. It is a cheesy, romantic, predictable book, but I love it. I cannot stop reading it. I'm already halfway in, and I just got this on Sunday. I'm filming this on Wednesday. I'm obsessed. So basically, this is about this girl. She's a twin, and she realizes she's so dependent on her twin because her twin just got engaged and moved out, and she's living alone. And well, for the first half of the book, I'm not going to give any spoilers out, but anyways, she meets this doctor. She loves pets. It's a really cute book, and I highly recommend it. So if you guys are looking for a good book recommendation, highly recommend this. I just am a sucker for cheesy romantic books. I also got a new candle this weekend. I'm so excited about this. I haven't lit it yet because John and I are waiting to do it together because he bought it for me, and it is called the Unicorn Candle. So there's this mall that we go to that's out of state, and they have this really cool vintage store, and it's like curated vintage items. Every time I go in there, I'm like, oh my gosh, this place is so cool. So I got a candle from there. I thought this jar would be really pretty repurposed after, but also nice while you enjoy it. And it's like kind of like a purpley pink color. It smells so good. It kind of reminds me of my Capri Blue candle. Then on Saturday, I went out shopping with my mom, which I got a lot of stuff to share with you guys. We also picked up some new beauty products. I needed a new mascara, and I have it on right now. It is the L'Oreal Original Voluminous, and I used this back when I started college, and I forgot how much I love it. I feel like it just makes my eyelashes pop. So I picked this up. I didn't really pick up too many new beauty products. I currently have 2 gift cards to like Ulta and Sephora, and if you guys know me, I love getting my makeup at like Target, so it's so new to me. I'm like, I don't even know what to pick out. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. But I do have some clothing pieces that I'm excited to share with you guys. First things, I got this Abercrombie and Fitch pullover. I have been seeing this on Instagram, like on bloggers, forever, and I finally am like, okay, I just want to try it. So I got it in this beautiful blue color. I love the asymmetric line, the buttons. It's seriously so cute, and I just think this color is so fun. It has like the patchwork down, and it does have a sleeve, but my favorite part is the little cut on the back. It is so flattering on you guys. I got this in a size extra small, and just think it is so flattering and cute. Then, I don't know if you guys heard the news, but I won my fantasy football league, and that has also made me kind of a hardcore football fan. I don't know, but the Bengals made it into the playoffs, and they're playing again next weekend, and I don't own any Bengals gear, so I picked up a t-shirt. This is from the little boys section because they're really hard to find, and it just says Cincinnati's Bengals football. I thought this would be kind of fun, something to wear to support the Bengals. So, you know, personally, Patty Mahomes from Kansas City was my winning QB quarterback on my fantasy league. So I have really mixed feelings about this upcoming game, but gotta rep the city. Then I also picked up this polo from Ralph Lauren. I love it because it's pink. It's kind of a dark like raspberry pink, and I just think it's so pretty. But I'm just envisioning this with some like periwinkle chino shorts come springtime. I love that it's long sleeve. I don't have many of these in my wardrobe, but I love them. I just kind of always forget to buy them. I don't know if any of you guys feel this, but I'm kind of done with like winter clothes. I'm like, come on, springtime, snap, snap. So that's super cute. And then I also got, this is so random. I got this North Face zip-up jacket because I feel like it has been so cold. When I woke up this morning, I asked Google, I'm like, what's the temperature outside? And it was like -4, and I was like, okay, lots of layers. So I picked this up. I'm hoping it's really warm. It's like a fleece zip up all the way down with pockets. I used to have one of these. I feel like these are so trendy again, which I'm not complaining. They're so warm, you guys. So I picked this up. It has like the little logo on the back as well. And then I did get a gym fit from Fabletics. And you guys, this is so on brand for my 45 Days of Pink. They gave me these pink biker shorts, and I can't remember. These are called the Sculpt Knit by Fabletics. I have a pair of the full length leggings like this. They look teeny tiny. This is a medium, and they're so tiny, but they just make you look so good. They're so comfortable. They're my favorite Fabletics material. And then it came with this really cute ombre pink long sleeve top, and it just says made for you. I love it. Kind of reminds me of the Spirit jerseys back in the day, so super cute. Then we went to this little family get together to watch the Bengals, and John's mom had a few goodies for me. She got me this adorable pink purse. I am so excited. So it comes with this long strap that you can wear, but it also came with like a little wristlet, or you can wear it without. I just think it's so cute. I love the gold hardware on here, and it does have a zipper pouch in the back, and then it's just like zippered like this. I love this shade of pink, and I cannot wait to style it and wear it out, so I'm super excited about this. And then she also picked up a pair of these like fleece tights. Again, it's been so cold here, so I'm really happy about this, and they're like gray and printed, which I think printed tights have been, I think they're always in style, but extra in style this season. And then she also got me this really pretty tank top. I just love the sparkles. This will be perfect come summertime. It is so sparkly, and the back has sparkles too. So that is everything in this haul. I did make something that I wanted to share with you guys. It's this little phone charm. I've been seeing these all over Pinterest, and I was like, I'm gonna make one. So it's just like these little beads, and I made mine say Kelster, and it has like little smiley faces on it, and then I just like tied it into my phone case. There's tons of tutorials on YouTube on how to make it, because that's how I learned. But oh my gosh, I love it. It just makes me so happy because it's so cute and like pink, and it makes my phone case really pop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments down below which item was your favorite. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you guys have any video recommendations, let me know, because I love filming content that you guys want to see. I just hope you're having a great day. And again, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys back here on Friday. Bye guys.